Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to unbox some new plates that I got. This is the holy month of Ramadan and I honestly want everything to look so beautiful and amazing. I want to be able to host my family and friends. I want my table setting to look so beautiful. I want you to enter my home and have a feeling that it is Ramadan. This is the holy month of Ramadan. It is filled with so much spirituality, so much prayers, the du'as, recitation of the Holy Quran, doing good deeds, sadaqah, and so many other beautiful activities in this month of Ramadan. Cooking very nice meals is one thing that I love, is something I enjoy, cooking for the ones that I love. Because of that, I decided to get this beautiful set of plates. By the way, I have always loved gold and white. My colors are gold and white, so I've always wanted to have a plate set that comes in gold and white. So let's unbox this together. I really want you to see how beautiful these plates are. I saw a lot of designs, so many designs. In fact, it wasn't easy making a choice, but I just had to go with this. I hope you're going to love it as much as I do. In the description box, I am going to leave you where I got this plates from. If you reside in the city where I am, or if you decide to reach out to them, if it's possible for them to ship to you. These plates are amazing. The quality is top notch and I am super excited. Like I said earlier, gold and white are my colors. I really love gold and white. The aesthetics, the beauty. In fact, the uniqueness that comes with the color gold. You can see my wristwatch, gold color. I really love gold so much. So this is what the plate looks like. Just take a look at this beautiful plate. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can really see this. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be decorating my dining table with this plates, with table runners, with so many beautiful things. You're going to get to see them all. So this is the plates. I got a number of them that I need. So I'm not going to show you much. They are all the same. So let's put that aside. It also comes with a matching bowl. So this plate you're seeing has a bowl that matches it. Unfortunately, I wanted around 4 pieces, but I was only able to get this one. I actually didn't want to miss out on it, so I got this one. They didn't have enough in stock. Drum roll. Are you ready to see? So this is what the bowl looks like. You can see how beautiful this bowl is. This is a very beautiful bowl. And for us in Nigeria, you serve your soups, your different soups. You can even serve your custard, pap, anything in this bowl. It looks so nice. So this is the look I am going for. I want every plate to have its own matching bowl. So this is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to show that to you when I finish setting up my dining table. Another thing I got is this beautiful tray. It's also gold and white. It's also gold and white. I make sandwiches, burgers sometimes at home, and I feel plating it's important. Sometimes it's not about cooking. It's also about how you plate what you have cooked or what you have made. So I'm going to be making snacks. I also bake cakes and I would really love to plate them on this tray. Sometimes you feed your eyes before the food goes into your mouth. So you can see this by the time you layer your banana bread, or you layer your burger and fries, or you layer your, what do we call it, your sandwich, it's going to look really nice. And that was the reason why I got this. So to match with this tray, I also got this small bowl. You can use this bowl for your sauces, your pepper sauce, mayonnaise, yes, this is what it looks like. You can have, it's a canoe shape, you can see. So you can have your mayonnaise in it, um you can have your ketchup in it. If you want to take fries, you can put it in the middle here. You can have your chicken by the side, have your fries by the side, or you can have your burger by the side, I have your fries by the side. In the middle, by the side, you can have your mayonnaise, and the other side, you can have your ketchup. So that is the reason why I got this. So you can see everything go down, why it looks beautiful. And then I saw this spoon, I could not let it go. It's very unique. Let me just show you one of it. It's gold. I love gold so much. This is what it looks like to match with it. So you can see for my plate and my bowl, this is the beautiful gold spoon. This is what it looks like. And imagine me having my Greek yogurt in this bowl. It's going to look really nice. And this is everything I got for Ramadan when it comes to plates, bowls, and everything. They are all gold and white. Thank you so much for sticking with me thus far. To see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed already. And if you're already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you continue to find my content engaging.